I've said it once and I'll say it again, it's always a good place when you got palm trees. We are here in California. We came 2 days early and we're gonna be doing some supercar shenanigans in LA. So as you saw in the last clip, we got delivery of both of the cars. Currently, we are on our way to Gintani. One of the other cars is owned by Jenny. As you guys saw in the last video, we tuned and did a full straight pipe exhaust. The old exhaust had a exhaust valve and is now throwing an exhaust valve fault, so we're going to take it there for them to do a retune on it really quickly. And so yeah, we'll see you guys at Gintani.
Yeah, there's 3 cops up here.
Responding to a massive car meetup, we're told, in downtown.
Desmond Shaw live over the scene in Sky 9 to tell us more now. Desmond?
Jeff and Susie, this is a huge car meetup. It looks to me almost like something out of a Fast and Furious movie, especially when you see some of these cars and some of the paint jobs here. Hundreds, maybe even 1,000 or so people, not just on this parking garage here, this huge parking garage that is completely full. They're down here on the street as well, and we've been seeing some of these cars actually start to speed away pretty quickly as well, some pretty high-performance vehicles. So you see this huge kind of street takeover that's taking place, and as I widen out, you'll see it's also been gridlocking traffic in parts of downtown LA. Look at these surface streets. If you're driving down here, boy, this is really going to be frustrating if you're just trying to get back home in downtown LA. Live in Sky 9 overhead, I'm Desmond Shaw. Jeff and Susie, back to you in the studio.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you can see me and hear me. Kind of a random night. Wasn't really expecting to film much, just kind of relaxing. I met up with Alex Choi and a couple other guys tonight, and we went to downtown Los Angeles for a car meet, and I wasn't too sure what to expect, so I was kind of just, wanted to relax and see what's going on. I was able to get to the top of the building with kind of all the exotic cars parked, and we ended up going to Alex's friend of a friend's apartment and saw just like the mass amount of traffic to get in They ended up shutting the streets down. Before the car meet even started, it started at 9. It was already shut down by 9 by the police. There was police helicopters, just, I mean, it was insane. It was pretty cool though. There's just nothing that beats the California car scene. Super cool though. Now I am on my way back to the hotel.
What are you doing, dude? It's time to go home.
So, I lost my wallet. And I have my app out, and it's ringing my wallet right now. So if I hear it, I'll find it. Let me see if I left it in the office. It must be, let's check my car.
What do you mean that it's ringing your wallet?
So I have this extra wallet, and it has, do you hear that?
Yeah, I do hear that.
Hey look, I found my wallet.
What is that?
So, and it shows you where you're at. So right now we're at high altitude. So it's telling me that my wallet's here. So I found it. So what's cool is this is a smart wallet, okay? This is the Exter wallet. It's cool because for a person like me, I'm always losing my stuff. This is a smart wallet. And what's cool about this is, let's say you have your wallet and not your phone, you can also engage it, and then it rings your phone, and then you can find your phone. And then also check this out. Let me turn this off. Well, it has this little button on the side, so you click it, and then you can, I'm not gonna put these on the camera, but you get the idea. You put it in, click the button, and you can pick which card you want. Oh, I don't want that one, I want this one. So it's cool, easy to get these cards out, everything. The biggest thing that I like about this is the tracker, because I lose all my stuff. So having the tracker available, it's nice to have. So we want to give a big shout out to Exter. And if you guys want this smart wallet, the link will be in the description. You guys get 20% off of this wallet. So make sure to check that link out and give them a shout out on Instagram if you buy one. Thanks guys. 1, 2, 3, let's go! There's just something about that Gintoony pop. Ready? Let me get a good pop. Here we go. Ready? Woo! Today we are leaving Rancho Palos Verdes and heading to, first we're going to lunch and meeting up with all the Corsa participants. Then after lunch we are heading to the Fast and the Furious house. And then after that, I'm not really sure. We are going to a different hotel. It's in Dana Point, which is a little bit south of Huntington. So there's just gonna be all kinds of randomness. Who knows what we're gonna get into. So smash the subscribe button, and we're gonna get right into some epic car content right now. Just made it to the Monarch Hotel at Dana Point. As you saw, went to Malibu, did a little PCH highway driving. Now we are going to go downstairs and check out all the cars that are at the hotel room, and then tomorrow starts the first day of Corsa Rally. It's gonna be fun.
We were climbing a hill slowly, and just the curve of the road. It was time to come back.
Arriba!
What took you so look? COVID-19 veteran, bro.
Oh, sexy.
Watch this vlog. I'm gonna have like 800 views. Woo! Yes.
And $5 in AdSense. Oh my God. If I even got $5, I'd be happy.
What's better than that? Gold teeth trump card. Do we really need reservations?
We don't need reservations because he has gold teeth and I'm the trouble.
We are
We're
finishing the vlogs for today.
It's the end of the vlogging. And all the cars are lined up.
I'm just gonna let Steve finish my vlog while he finishes your vlog.
All the cars are lined up and we've done registration. The luggage van's there. I think the party's getting ready to start. Everybody's gonna go in.
Hopefully get food too.
Oh, yeah, we gotta eat. I'm hungry. So, this is day one, kind of. This is the registration day. And tomorrow is the actual rally, so you have to stick around for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Later.
Okay, what he said. Is this a Lamborghini that has doors that go up?
Yes, it is.
We'll save the old tabs.
These just screw on?
I think they slide in. I don't know.
It's on there now.
Put the old one in here. I found these on Truck Rice posted them.
That's f***ing awesome.